So guys, my brother isn't here because he is sick. Listen to him coughing. So I am the only one who is here. So let's get started with rating Ma. That's a 10 out of 10. Are you serious? What happened to his voice? Two. His voice is back. 10. Yay, his voice is back. He does more? Oh my god, what happened to his voice? No, he's just repeating the same thing. 1. Wow, 9. His voice! Yay! Yay! His voice. 10. So, that was kind of short. Sorry if I just cut to a video owned by somebody else, but, I am so sorry. I'm sorry that was short because this is only 1 minute long, and, we've been chatting for like 1 minute, so, why don't you guys say hi to my brother? Hi, guys. I have a runny nose and I've been coughing lately. So, I won't be in the next couple rating videos, so I am really sorry. So yeah, what did you rate the mall? Like, I rated him 10 out of 10 on plants, air, and like gold. I rated 2 out of 10 for cold. I rated 1 out of 10 for the fire oasis, and like kind of a 9 for tribal island. So yeah, thank you for listening to my video of rating all of Mod's sound and animation. Alright guys, goodbye.